How to manage pages in Drupal. This tutorial assumes you've already logged into Drupal. Now let's learn how to manage pages. Click Create Content. This is the Create Content page, where you can choose to create new pages or new stories for your website. You would choose to create a page if you wanted to add a static page like a contact page or an About Us page. To create a new page, click the page link here. Enter the title of the page here. Then enter the body of the page here. Scroll down. Click Submit. That's it! The new page has been created. Click the Edit link here. You can edit the title or body of the page from here. Or you can remove the page from your website by clicking Delete. Click Delete to confirm. That's it! The page we created has now been deleted. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to manage pages in Drupal.